Hi. So we're going to be looking at solving indices, putting everything we've learned in the previous videos together and solving some of the bigger questions which you may see in the course. So having a look at this one here, we can see that we've got 2 to the power of 5 times 2 to the power of 3. All of that's divided by 2 to the power of 4. So we need to utilize the rules that we've learned in the previous videos. So we know that from 2 to the power of 5 times 2 to the power of 3 means 2 to the power of 5 plus 3 over 2 to the power of 4. Now 2 to the power of 5 plus 3 gives us 2 to the power of 8 over 2 to the power of 4. And when you're dividing indices, now this means divide here, so it's the same thing as writing out 2 to the power of 8 divided by 2 to the power of 4. Means the same thing. So 2 to the power of 8 divided by 2 to the power of 4. Remember, you take them away. So 2 to the power of 8 minus 4 is equal to 2 to the power of 4. Now with this next question, what we've got here is 3 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 4. Now all of that's over 3 to the power of 2 times 3. Now what may help us with this one here is that we can see that there's no power on here, but having a 3 on its own is also the same thing as saying 3 to the power of 1. So that will help us out once we start solving that one. Now again, when we're timesing powers with the same base, rewrite the base, and we've got 3 to the power of 3 plus 4, which is 7. So 3 to the power of 7. Now in this one here, where that's going to help us out now is that 3 to the power of 2, so it becomes 3 to the power of 2 plus 1, which gives us 3 to the power of 3. So now that we've got 3 to the power of 7 divided by 3 to the power of 3, so remember we minus, so it becomes 3 to the power of 7, take 3, which gives us an answer of 3 to the power of 4. So we're going to have a look at some more questions. We're going to replace the numbers with letters. So we've got a here, so a to the power of 5 times a to the power of 6 over a to the power of 7. What we're going to see is that this is exactly the same way as solving the previous one. We're just going to end up with a letter instead of a number as the base. So we've got a to the power of 5 times a to the power of 6. So that becomes a to the power of 5 plus 6 over a to the power of 7. So you can see nothing's changed. Follow the same rules, so a to the power of 11 over 7. Oops, a to the power of 7. Which means a to the power of 11, because when we divide them, we minus it. So a to the power of 11 takes 7, which gives us an answer of a to the power of 4. Now this last one here, what we'll see is that we've got whole numbers in here. So we've got 8b to the power of 4, and we've got divided by 2 to the power, 2b. And as again, you'll see there's no power, but the same thing with letters, we can actually just say, well, b is actually to the power of 1. It means the same thing as just writing b. So the way we solve this one here is that we start with the whole numbers first. So what's 8 divided by 4? So what we can actually do is actually cross out the 8. So 8 divided by 2 gives you an answer of 4. So we can say that we've got a 4 on the top, and we've completely cancelled out the whole numbers on the bottom now. Because 2 goes into 8 4 times. Now with this next one here, again, we've got b4. And now when we're dividing b to the power of 4 over 1, remember you minus it. So instead of being 4, it's actually 4 take 1, which gives us to the power of 3. So this one here becomes 4b to the power of 3. And that's it. We've completely cancelled out all of the numbers and letters on the bottom here. Thanks. Hope that helps.